We're here at Pipeline today. Gonna go riding hopefully some hills, and then just have fun. Yeah, there's a big old hill climb that, like the pipeline up at the top of it. That's why it's called Pipeline. Then you keep going through there, and then there's more hill climbs, but they're not quite as intense. They're more dirt, not like white powdery dirt. It'll be a fun day. Okay. Well, there's the option to ride the road in, the main one right through here, and then you can ride trails all the way through it, get to there.
Sounds good.
Yep.
E, what do you think?
Sounds like fun.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Gus's crash for the day. That's the gnarly Pipeline hill climb. What do you think, boys? You gonna hit it? Pick the one with the most kickers and see what happens. No.
You're funny.
All right. Breezy out here today. Boys are out cruising around in the parking lot now that we got back. But yeah, we had a good ride today. We rode out to Pipeline and up on top to one of the radio towers and explored a little bit. Rode some of the whoops and washes. It's pretty fun. It's a pretty good spot to just come out and ride, a good skills practice area for sand, whoops, gravel roads, all that kind of stuff. So one thing that's no joke out here are the whoops on all the trails and stuff. How many close calls did we have today, boys?
Like a million.
At least 4.
Like a million. The KLR did some acrobatics with me on it, trying to not die. But yeah, so make sure you know what you can handle as far as whoops if you're riding out here, because they're no joke. Some of them are super deep. There'll be a nice long flat straightaway that lures you in. Then there'll be 3 or 4 whoops at the end of it that could just rock your world. So be careful, be safe, and have fun.